Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unwrapping of my new Christian Louboutin Very Cathy heels. These are my first red bottoms, so I'm super excited to show you guys just about the detail of it and how it fits and how I really like it, but please enjoy.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Okay. Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, not a gagging. Bougie. He say the way that thing move, it's a movie. I told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, me the room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch, I'm Tunchi. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Stupid, what's happening?
My personal opinion, I do love these shoes. I think they are the baby version of all platforms of red bottoms because these are the 120 millimeters, which equals to about your average 4-inch heel. I do love these. The only thing is, if you have narrow feet, you will be perfectly fine. It's very slim. If you don't, you might have a harder time, but the good thing is that this strap has holes like all the way up at the top, so if you have wider ankles, this will help it stay in place. For me, I had to make my own hole because they were it was too much movement on my ankle, so I just made my own and I made it a little bit tighter. I do really love these. I feel like these are very classy, and I definitely think that these are the kind of heels that I would wear kind of almost anywhere. These are the most comfortable red bottoms, I would say, personally, because I've heard very upsetting things about the pumps that they're the same exact height, but they're not platform. These are like the baby of the platforms. The 150s are higher. Honestly, if you're someone that wears heels every day or very often, then you could definitely find these very comfortable.
On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing.
I want to make it worth the price because they are very pricey. If they fall off because they're so thin, they give me extra. So they actually send you extra in the mail with them. So always go a half size up because these run small. So definitely recommend that. They're very gorgeous. I'm so excited. You're probably gonna see me post pictures. I'm glad I got them in black. I almost went for tan, but I'm glad that I went for black because black goes with everything. But if you're super into heels like me, these are gonna be a freaking literal walk in the park. Literal, like, you'll love these. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my review video. Please leave feedback if this kind of gave you a better understanding of what red bottoms are really like. Hope this really helps if you're looking into buying some red bottoms in the future. I did leave the link below if you're interested in these. These are the Very Cathy in 120 millimeters, so it's about 4.5 inches. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.